One of the focuses that Texas has on CTE to support their overall concern on the future economy is requiring our programs to be partnered with industry-based companies in our area and give our students an opportunity to experience some real-world problems, but also just exposing them to the different environments so that they're aware of the skill sets needed. When we looked as a department and as our staff started our professional development along these new mindset, really focusing on Gen Z, right? The kids in our building, they are our future. They're our future leaders. They're our future engineers. They're our drivers. They are everything. And so kind of the groundwork that we did with our staff is talking about one of the strengths that I believe this generation has is they're very open to diversity. They're open to change. They have a very flexible mindset. As fast as our world is changing and industry needs are changing and product lines are changing, it's important that we teach our kids to be versatile, to be innovative, to think out of the box.